Yo, 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 what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to Coffee Hype Unbox. Yeah, so I found in my storage box something from 2004. And what is it? It's this promo package of LeBron James. Chamber of Fears. Boom. Yes. And it also comes with the CD. Now, back in 2004, LeBron and Nike, they did this project called Chamber of Fears. And it was for Asia Tour, I guess, promoting their sneakers. So that's Nike Zoom Lebron II. It came with two Air Force Ones. There was a green gold and there was a kind of red wine gold color. There's a special edition lows, and in fact I think I don't have a picture, but Michael Lau did a series of Michael Lau's like a famous toy designer, and he did a special edition for Nike Air Force Ones, and one of them was the Nike Zoom Lebron II Chamber of Fears, which is a pretty cool doll. So yeah, this book was a promo that came with it. I had the shoes. I gave away my shoes. Recently I gave away my Air Force One shoe to, donated it to some people living on the bridge. So there's some cool cats walking around with fresh Air Force Ones, green and golds. LeBron. Yeah, shout out to LeBron. Okay, so here we go. Chamber of Fears. Now, this is so interesting. It's like they took the concept of Kung Fu and they made it into this illustration, graphic, kind of novel book. I haven't actually opened it, see? I've kept it for some reason. There's LeBron's logo. Here's NikeBasketball.com. If you go there, it takes you to the Chinese Hong Kong Nike website for basketball. Now, LeBron James in Chamber of Fear. Here's the Nike basketball logo. Oh, my camera's blurring. Sorry about that. But yeah, there you go. So, you know, they're taking it off those old 60s, 70s movies, right? Now inside, I don't even know what's inside. I've tried to find back some people to tell me what's inside, but I didn't really want to open it. So, but if you guys want to see this open, you know, if I get 1,000 views for this video, I'll do a second one where I'll open this and we'll see what's inside. But I guess there's comic books. See, if I look at the edge here, there's 1, 2, 3 comic books. There seems to be posters and another big thick comic book of some sort. Here you could tell, I think they're posters. Now if you look, in this video I'm gonna post some posters that I found on the net, and I'm guessing that those are posters. So they're more like movie poster, Kung Fu movie posters. Yeah. It also comes with a CD. Now this CD, if you could see, it's Chamber of Fears remix by the RZA. RZA, everybody I guess knows who's RZA. He's Wu-Tang, one of my favorite crews, what I grew up on, Wu-Tang. Now if you look at this is the CD, the LeBron James logo, Nike. It's got some, it's got the King James, the lion with the crown. It's got these type of wiggly design work. Okay. Clean. I listened to it as well back in the day, and it's pretty cool. All right. So I don't know if y'all have CD players anymore, but if you do. Now, what does it have? Chamber of Fears, 4 minutes 13 seconds. It's got the instrumental, it's got the DJ mix, it's got the orchestra mix, music by the RZA, lyrics by the RZA and Reverend William Burke, arranged by Howard Drowsing. 2004, the RZA, so he gets all the publishing, I assume. And pretty cool cover. Okay, there's LeBron, one of the best in the game. He's one of my favorite players as well since the beginning. Yeah, so I'm also selling this, by the way. You could check this out. I don't know. You could check this out later. I have the price in the comments in the description and where you can get it if anybody wants it. I believe this is, I mean, there must have been lots given out, but this is pretty much mint condition, not opened. Yeah, and I kept it quite well, I guess. It comes with the CD. Doesn't come with the shoes, unfortunately, because yeah, those have been used and gone. And what else? Okay, so this was 2004, and here's what it says in Chinese. Hong Goi Dao Sat Dao Sat Hong Goi Dao Sat, which means, like, you know, fear room. No, fear fight room. Yeah, so it's like, you know, terror fight room, you know, which is the chamber of fears. How do you defeat an opponent who knows your every move? This is Ji Gei But Ji Bei Ho Bei Ho Choi Sing. So something like battling against yourself, you know. So in the background, I guess this is Shanghai. Yeah, so thanks for checking out the video. 1,000 views. I'm gonna open it unless someone buys it first. All right, thanks for checking out Coffee Hype Unboxed, and hopefully I could find some other stuff I could unbox, or if you guys want, you could send me stuff to unbox. I'll be happy to review your stuff, you know. Cool, thanks. And everybody, at this time in 2020, stay healthy physically and mentally, and you know, take care of your loved ones, your close ones too, and take care of yourself. All right, till next time, peace.